Okay, then again extrude was selected and click on this surface, go to here the normal plane, taking the line command, click, another click, another click, and this way it will be 15 millimeters, and up here to this point, exit it. Okay, then it will be 10 millimeters, so done. Then I am going to the mirror, go to here, select the right plane, go to the bodies, okay, select this part, okay, done. Okay, then extrude was selected, click on the surface, go to here, normal plane is selected, go to here, and I'm taking here, okay, center point, then it will be 20 millimeters, okay, done. Then through all is selected, okay, okay, then extrude card is selected again, click on the surface and go to here, normal plane is taken, take it, okay, done, and again, okay, in a smart dimension this distance is 20 millimeters, and from here to here it will be 5 millimeters, and similarly this portion is 20, and from it will be 15, it's better, 15, and this portion also 15, and from here to here it will be 5, okay, exit it, then through all is selected, okay, okay, done. Then I am selecting the materials, go to here, steel is selected, polish steel, I'm taking the color, this one, okay, Ctrl 8, Ctrl 7. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.